welcome. I will present to you a screen recording from my Galaxy S8 of the new Cubasis 3 for Android. Here I made 3 tracks and I will try to make a 4th one with a second melody. The problem with this was that the 4th track didn't really work that well. The program croaked a bit as I added the 4th track here. See here where I browse to get a 4th track on the microlog. And this in the end made me omit the 4th track and instead freeze all the other tracks before I made a mix down. This seems to be the limiting point of the Galaxy S8 with the Cubasis 3. Adding a 4th or a 5th track with a synth that takes some power from it will make it croak, obviously. And here you see the 4th track. And you will also see here the multiband compressor in action. And here I make a mix down. And now you will hear the track and you will look at